Release the handle from locked storage position and raise the battery cover. Loosen 6 screws securing the rear cover. Disconnect motor, handle, and micro switch cables from the main PCBA and remove them from connector compartment. Loosen 6 screws securing the service cover. Hold the adjust lever firmly and make sure it is perpendicular to the ground. Then, remove the service cover. Loosen the 8 screws securing the left and right fixing board. Remove the handle assembly. Replace the new handle assembly. Tighten 8 screws to secure the left and right fixing board, ensuring the handle assembly is perpendicular to the ground. Thread 3 cables into the connector compartment. Keep the handle assembly perpendicular to the ground and close the service cover. Reconnect motor, handle, and micro switch cables to the main PCBA. Route the cables in the slot. Tighten the 12 screws to secure both the rear and service cover. Attach the battery pack. Light up the LCD screen. Press the self-propel button and LED headlights button simultaneously until the self-propel off icon flashing on the screen. Wait for the load indicator to complete calibration. Turn the self-propel into auto mode. Pull up the bail switch and push the mower. A clear motor starting sound should be heard.